we had an interesting and awesome opportunity that no other air conditioning contractor could figure out. We had a 100-year-old home that's in a historic neighborhood, so there's a lot of requirements. We were able to convert an attic into 5 bedrooms with every single one being independently controlled with air conditioning. We were able to use a Daikin multiport ductless split inverter system, which is the most efficient system on the market. We were able to place it up on the roof. We even painted it so that it matched the rooftop so that it would be within historical requirements. The customers are stoked. You can hang meat in these rooms. That's how awesome these air conditioning systems are.